Good day! A lot of you requested me to make more videos regarding pronunciation mistakes. Your request is my command. Now, here are 5 words that are commonly mispronounced. Watch this video until the end to avoid those mistakes. My name is Jonna and welcome back to Online English TV. Here is the first word. How do you pronounce this word?
Salmon.
Salmon.
Yep, it is pronounced as salmon. Look at the IPA symbols. It is silent L. Once again, it is pronounced as salmon.
Microwaved salmon. Smoked salmon?
Here comes word number 2. Alright, can you please read it first? This word is pronounced as almond. Look at the IPA symbols. It is also silent L.
Almonds?
Almond butter.
From now on, when you buy something, you can say,
You have almonds?
once again, the word is
Almonds.
almond. Here comes word number 3. It is not pronounced in famous. Instead, it is pronounced as infamous.
Infamous.
Famous and infamous.
It means famous for something bad, or in other words, notorious.
Infamous drug lords.
Infamous pufferfish.
Once again, the word is
Infamous.
Here comes word number 3. Wait a minute. It is not pronounced as Acai. Instead, it is pronounced as Acai.
It has fresh acai.
It is a small, round, dark purple fruit. It's an edible berry of a Central and South American palm tree.
Because the acai berry is a superfood.
This is an organic, gluten-free, antioxidant-rich acai berry cake.
And here is the last word for today. It is not pronounced as chic. There's no K at the end. Instead, you pronounce this
Chic.
chic. It means stylish and fashionable.
Shabby chic.
It is chic.
Okay, once again, pronounces as chic. That would be all for now. Thank you so much for requesting this video. I will make more videos like this, so if you don't want to miss anything, very simple. Just click the subscribe button. And of course, I would appreciate it too if you click the like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for your support.
My pleasure.
Until the next video, see you!